Shalom. This is the beginning of the Feast of Trumpets weekend, and we have a very special weekend tonight, starting sundown tonight, started Sabbath all the way to sundown Sunday evening. And then it goes into Sunday is our high Sabbath. So today, Friday, which is 6th day, I prepared 2 meals. I made them fairly easy this week so that stress levels would be a lot less. It's definitely a blessing to be able to cook for my family. I love them, and it shows in my food. So today's dinner is very easy. If you're not interested in eating beef, I made turkey burgers, but I didn't do turkey burgers. I got a box of turkey burgers. There's 12 in a box from Aldi grocery store. You can get them from most any grocery store, but Aldi is my favorite. I do, when I get a chance, take a very long trip, about an hour and 40 minutes one way, to go to the nearest Aldi, ALDI, and I really like the store because they have really good quality food, and I do pray for one to manifest here on the Eastern Shore, and I'm serious when I say that. So get you a box of turkey burgers, and you're going to saute these in a pan. I've already done this. Saute these in a pan with a little bit of olive oil. And my seasonings that I used are ground black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and parsley flakes. You could use fresh of all these. I did use fresh onions and fresh mushrooms. Like I said, with a little bit of olive oil in my pan so that the turkey burgers won't stick. So one thing with turkey burgers versus regular hamburgers, if you prefer beef Salisbury steak, you definitely can do that. On occasion, I do the turkey burger Salisbury steak just because it's lighter, and it's a break from eating beef. So what I did was, turkey burgers, if they're already thawed out, because it is a poultry, it will fall apart easy. If you touch it, it'll get mushy. So I recommend keeping your burgers frozen. When you go to put them in your pan, you heat up your olive oil, you put your burgers in the pan, frozen. Okay, I can fit 3. These are kind of large. Fit 3 in a 10-inch saucepan or saute pan. So I went ahead and I cooked up each. I seasoned both sides, and then I put them in a crock pot. Let me go ahead and take this off of here. I put them, let me turn it around. Okay. See, there's turkey, the turkey burgers in there. There is onion and mushroom. I did not saute my mushrooms. I was going to, but I decided that I wouldn't do that so that they would have a bit more firmness. I really do like my mushrooms to be firm. And my onions, after my turkey burgers were done, I went ahead and sauteed those, a whole, I'd say medium to large onion, in all of the drippings from the turkey burger. And that gives it extra flavor, plus it gets all of those juicy bits that are at the bottom of the pan to get onto the caramelization of the pan, gets onto the onions, and then when that cooks off of everything and the onions are almost done, then I went ahead and just dumped it in here. I also put 3 jars of the mushroom gravy, 3. They're about $1.89 at my local Food Lion. These, I believe, were like $5.99 or $6. That's a decent price at Aldi. Everything at Aldi is great. Like I said, But you just go ahead and you cook this. It's already cooked. So basically this is just heating up. Also, because there's gravy in there, I went ahead and made a pot of white rice. So that's ready too. So I don't have to worry about that. I also made a pumpkin pie this evening. We also have salad, a Caesar salad to go with it. And we have naan bread, garlic naan bread. I'm really picking up some different stuff. N-A-A-N. N-A-A-N, yes. It would be ma'am, so maybe it's nan. I don't know. Anyway. Nan? Nan? Nan. Like ma'am. Indian bread. Yes. So, yes, naan bread. So we're having that. So basically that's what we're having tomorrow for Sabbath. See, I'll show you this real quick. I got 2 rotisserie chickens. Let's see if I could show you. I got 2 rotisserie chickens from my local Food Lion. And we have mashed potatoes with that. Also Hawaiian sweet potato rolls and green beans to go with that one. And a raspberry pie by Miss Marie Callender's, so with ice cream on top. So those are the meals for this Sabbath and for our high Sabbath on Sunday. So just thought I'd let you know. And this is a very easy meal. It's a lot of stress taken off by picking easy meals sometimes. And we are going to be having dessert tomorrow evening with family that's in town. So I like to make sure that everything is prepared, extra prepared. So bless you all, Shabbat Shalom, and have a great evening.